So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use a lens and some black construction paper to change how a bokeh looks. Doing this effect is actually really easy. All you need is have a lens with a wide aperture, such as this 85mm with a 1.8 aperture, but I've done this with 5.6 apertures as well. The main key is that have your aperture as wide open as possible so you can get that depth of field and create that bokeh in the first place. And then all you need is to have some construction paper, make it into a rudimentary filter, slide it right over your lens like so, and then have some cutout shapes and just put it right in front of the lens. And that creates your shaped bokeh. So no more boring circle bokehs for you. Now you can have some creative shape bokehs. The best part is that it's all cheap. You don't need to go online to buy say a $20 set or anything like that. You just need some paper and you're good to go. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make it right now. You're gonna need a paper, ruler, scissors or X-Acto knife, tape and a pen and your lens. Take your paper and put on a cut-proof mat, then use your lens as a size guideline for the band you're about to cut. In this case here, I'm about making a 1-inch width band, and then cut the band off from your main piece of paper. Then take that band, wrap it snugly around your lens, and then tape both ends of the strip together. That creates your band. Then take that lens, flip it upside down onto your piece of paper, and then trace around your lens to create a circle template. Then cut that circle template out. That circle template will now become the front part of your filter, but now you have to create a hole in the center to let light in to create your bokeh. The shape of the hole doesn't matter as long as it's large enough to let in enough light, and the shapes that you cut out later on are smaller than that hole. In this case here, I'm just making a rectangle hole. Take 4 pieces of tape onto your disc and then tape it to the band, and then that guard is actually done. Now take that same guard and then use it as a size reference for the slides you're cutting. And then cut out as many slides as you want. Here I'm doing 2. And then just create whatever shape you want. If you're gonna be doing text, then do it as a stencil format to make your bokeh pop out much more sharp. But if you're gonna be doing shapes, you can use any type of shape you want, and it can be curved, can be sharp angles, just whatever shape you want. And then to use this, all you do is just put your guard on top of your lens and then take the slides and then just put in front of the guard with the widest aperture, and that is how you do the shaped bokeh.